Hello and welcome to Diecast Photography, guys. And if you would have followed my previous videos, I'm doing an unboxing of all the Bburago bikes that I have in my collection. As you can see, I also unboxed a few bikes, from this video. And you can check out my channel for more unboxings and review videos. For today, I got a very exclusive bike, and that's the BMW R90 Urban GS. So this is a adventure touring bike variant for the BMW R90 Scrambler model, and it's made by Bburago. It's a 1:18 scale. Sorry guys, a 1:18 scale model, and the box is typically packaged with a see-through cover made of plastic. So you can check out the details and by pausing the video, guys. The price quoted is 600, which is close to 7 to 8 USD. So let's go ahead and unbox, guys. As you can see, the packaging is quite worn out because transportation and logistics, thanks to that. But the bike, fortunately, is quite intact, as you can see. The most striking part of this bike is the color combination which used is quite beautiful and reminds of the summer colors. So it's in the white and blue accent with a seat made of almost orange or a sporty tangy red, whatever you can call. And the design is typically reminiscent of the BMW R90 models. And here's a closer look of the bike, guys. The detailing is quite good, as you can see. The colors are also very beautifully painted. It gives a really stunning look for this bike. So the bike is made mostly of die-cast metal. However, there are some elements of plastic, and the tires are fully made of rubber. And as you can see, it's the front rear tire has a suspension, and both the tires are free rolling one. Here's the top overview. The instrument cluster, very retro-looking design here, and that handles free moving here, as you can see. So this is everything for this video. You can also check out my other videos, and if you like the content, please do not forget to like, share and subscribe, and follow Diecast Photography on YouTube as well as Instagram. Thank you guys, and you have a good day.